Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Hyundai Sonata guys and you're having problems with your horn not working guys. We'll explain in this video where the horn relay is located and how to replace it. Also if you need to buy one guys, we'll share the link in the description of the video below. But guys, if your horn doesn't work, it could be up to 5 things and we have a special video that explains why your horn doesn't work. It could be so many things and in today's video we'll cover the relay part. Also, this should work on this generation Hyundai Sonata from year 2009 to year 2015. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, cheap fuses guys, we're going to share the link in the description of the video below where you can get all that from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. That's where we get all our parts from. Another thing guys, every single car we get at the garage we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now what's the plan guys? To make at least 200 guys free electrical and diagnostic videos that will be shared on this channel you're watching right now, Electrical Car Repair Live, and we will have more than 300 guys mechanical videos taking the whole engine apart, the whole car apart, and we will show you how to fix pretty much anything. All that will be posted on our main YouTube channel. Okay, it's called How to Repair guys, right here guys. We have helped more than 100 million people, so let's go ahead and start on it now. So, specifically 2013 Hyundai Sonata right here guys, and as I said, if your horn doesn't work, okay, this one does, and what we had to do to actually fix it, okay, we had to replace the relay. Let's explain where that relay is located. You have that fuse box here, one tap here, one there, you need to squish, pull straight up. Now, if you look at it that way guys, okay, when you look at the fuse box, what we have right here now, if you come on this side, this green relay right here, this is the one for the horn that actually controls the horn. So grab it and pull it out. Okay, if you want to buy a replacement relay for a really good price, we'll share the link in the description of the video below where you can get one from guys, and that way you don't need to waste too much money on a relay. Sometimes they're even really hard to find. It's the same for Hyundai and Kia. As you can see, it's Hyundai Kia practically is the same product because most of the things that Hyundai Sonata, it's almost the same like Kia Optima as well. But always check that relay. If that doesn't fix the problem guys, okay, we'll recommend to test the relay. We have a special video that explains how to test it in just a few seconds, and the video, okay, you will be able to find it. I'll share the link in the description of the video below. How to test a relay with voltmeter, super easy, and you will be able to know if it's working or not. And if that doesn't take care of the problem, you may have bad fuse, bad horn, bad switch, and all that we'll have videos how to fix on our channel. So hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you having a Hyundai Sonata and your horn doesn't work. If you have any recommendations, you want to see any specific video, leave a comment below, and when we have a time guys, we'll do our best to make that video and try to save you as much money as we can. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.